Round One 10.20 BPA。
5.28。
鄧章依第一鋪5.28，
等陣先，我係有
嗰個
呢嚿嘢嘅，
就係
唔係呢度，開錯咗，係要搞搞先。Interact，
哇，嗰間嘅使唔使 transition 咗先？
雙
而
二
家有請3成3初賽21到40嘅選手到後賽區
fail
報
係528。OK，
Going for free by free round
Yes, sir.
21 to 40. Please submit the clip to the waiting area.
我開翻張 Google Sheet。有燈出咗嘅，
我呢個 speech 101。
唔係啊，今次好似未講之前已經過咗啦。呢個 OK，
咁麻煩嘅啲。
你都好快啊！你濕毒喎，7秒嘅。
我1時時㗎咋？你見我啱啱10.28 BPA 嘅啫，呢度。
好彩好彩，有個嘢圍欄圍跳住晒，
真係。
I'm short like that.
點算啊？食屎嘢！
較光啲。Too much。OK，
係啊
focus。
第二鋪。這個。
Oh no！
Oh no！
Blocked！
這個3.9。
Oh no! Get blocked! Not good. 證明 is too tall。
呢把新嘢就，所以其實都夾唔到個 cam，一夾算。
有辦法的。
點嚟講 ？For me。
而家有請3成3初賽41到60嘅選手到後賽區報到。Going for free by free round one.
個辦法可能就係要再較高少少嘅低層。我整啦。
你去。
唔該謝謝，唔該謝謝，多謝。
係 OK。
A person walked in front of you.
最高啊！咁冇計啊！我而家轉緊個 camera 嘅角度啦。你 changing the cam 有啲有嚇得 good。Since you're unable to film the 395 properly, you have to change the camera angle. Hopefully it doesn't get blocked again. It's third solve. $378. So he has a counting 395 at the moment.
70啊
78. So he's on good pace. It's kind of like the Hong Kong World Championship.
counting 3.9。
Counting 3.95. So he's at Yiheng at the moment.
I spent all the money on shoes.
破得下都幾犀利。
幾勁啊！呢個過到喎，
喂，9點幾啫，10點。
黐線。
佢點會覺得凍啊，大佬？
做緊啲咩啊？哇！打晒底。
佢點會覺得凍啊？又唔係第一次嚟㗎，有備而嚟咧佢。
啊！不過我記得上次佢着羽絨，今次係打件勁。
再凍啲嘅場佢都去過啦，23嗰陣聖方濟。
波動還好吧，即係相對嚟講差唔多。This function is false. Please don't get blocked. Yes, it did not. Oh. Okay. CBF 4, 5:27. So counting 5, and he's officially off the running for a world record. But he has a best possible average of 4:33.
Still not PR.
Yeah, not
But
PR.
it's already guaranteed sub 5.
Yeah. See you in free by free round 2 without round 3, but unable to qualify for the final.
又嚟冇啦，你真係好黑啊！
I missed one place because of rain. Seems handy.
唔係嘉怡，
嘉怡
係啊，應該嘉怡同女生。
is Chinese Lasso.
我數錯。
What do you mean? Lock up.
朗史比
5:35, so it's his worst possible average.
Yeah.
I mean, accounting 3 saved it. 4:83. But he's probably not happy with